Hi, this video is to help you practice the special sounds O-Y, O-I, E-A, O-O, E-W, U-I. Remember to turn the sound off if you want to practice without my help. This sound is OY, O-Y, T, OY, T, OY, toy. She got a new toy. B, oy, b, oy, boy. That boy is in my class. J, oy, j, oy, joy. You are a joy to talk to. This sound is oy, O-I. K, oy, k, oy, coin. The coin fell in the water. S, oy, ool, s, oy, ool, soil. We need to put soil in the pot. B, oy, ool, b, oy, ool, boil. The water will boil. P, oy, t, p, oy, t, point. I can point to the red one. This sound is E-A, and it makes E-A. L, E, F, L, E, F, leaf. I found a leaf on the ground. E, T, E, T, meat. The meat is ready to eat. E, D, E, D, head. He hit his head. B, R, E, D, B, R, E, D, bread. You can have some bread with it. S, T, A, K, S, T, A, K, steak. The steak is good. B, R, A, K, B, R, A, K, break. We will take a break in a bit. This sound is O-O, and it says oo and r, oo, r, oo, room. My room is that way. B, oo, t, b, oo, t, boot. He has a boot. Ooh, k, ooh, k, look. You can look this way. b, k, b, k, book. Read a book at the desk. This sound is EW. It makes ooh and ooh. G, r, ooh. G, r, ooh. Grew. The plant grew in the sun. D, r, ooh. D, r, ooh. Drew. She drew a face on the top. Ch, ooh. Ch, ooh. Chew. The dog will chew the treat. F, you. F, you. Few. A few kids will come. This is UI, ooh, and you. S, ooh, t, s, ooh, t, suit. I will get a new suit. F, r, ooh, t, f, r, ooh, t, fruit. We like to eat fruit. J, ooh, s, silent E. J, ooh, s, juice. Will you want juice with the food?